Network setup wizard. Go to control panel. Click control panel. Choose network setup wizard. Then welcome to the network setup wizard. Then next. Then ignore disconnected network hardware. Then next. Then type computer description number. Description. PC1. Then computer name Arellano. Then next. Then work group name set A. Then next. Then next. Then ready to upload network setting. The next. Choose just finish the wizard. I don't need to run the wizard on other computers. The next. And finish. Do you want to restart your computer now? No.